Does Antarctica have warm weather? No, it doesn't. Does she love me? Yes, she does.
Conversation.
Peter, do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one brother. He's 35 years old.
Do you have a sister?
No, I don't have a sister. How about you?
I come from a big family. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Wow. You really have a big family. Do they live in the city?
No, they don't.
What's your name?
My name is Angelo.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Where are you from?
I come from Italy.
What do you do, Angelo?
I am a software engineer.
Vocabulary.
Brother. My brother is the current president of the United States. Sister. Sophie and Emily are sisters. Family. He doesn't have any family. Old. She showed me her old school. Engineer. He is a software engineer.
I am a vegetarian. I don't eat meat. Bear doesn't lay eggs. He doesn't have any money.
Does Antarctica have warm weather? No, it doesn't. Does she love me? Yes, she does. Do you have any questions for me? No, we don't.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, let us know what topic you want to learn. See you next time.